cousins. So today I'm going to be organizing my storage container drawer, and it is an absolute mess. So come along, let's see how I get this done, and let me know what suggestions you have to organize, how you organize your storage containers in the comments below, because I need assistance. Just let me know. But come on. What I tell you? Look what we working with. Who's gonna come help me? Oh my goodness, let's get started. Okay, so that's better. We got a clean slate to start with. As you see, the shelving is very deep far back, and I think that's part of the problem. There's no divisions, there's no separation. So I've been looking for some stands, you guys, where I can kind of have levels, but I'm not able to find any yet, so I'll just have to use what I have for the moment. But yeah, so I guess we'll start to get to organizing now. Okay, so this is the first thing that I did, was organize these lids. That is the biggest problem, is always searching for a lid whenever you're trying to do leftovers, or whenever you want to put some food up and you can't find a lid to go to it. So my husband got this small organizer, I think from Dollar General, and that way you can just separate your lids by size and organize them the way you want. I have some more, but I'm just gonna go through these right now. And this is my first step to organization. So getting these lids organized. So if I don't know if you guys are like me, but we have a lot of these gel baking items. Like this one's for cupcakes, and I think this one is for eggs, and this one is for chocolates that are just hanging out loose. So what I decided to do was, I have this big Rubbermaid container with a lid. So I'm just going to stick these in here, and that way I'll always know where they are, and I don't have to search and dig. They're not just hanging out and hanging around. And now it's all organized. Second step. Okay guys, so this is how I just put these bowls into this these baskets. I have them organized by size. These are my larger bowls. They're glass dishes, storage bowls, and these are the medium size and small. And these are the plastic ones. So anytime we need to pull out something, we'll know where they are, and they should be organized. So yep, these baskets I got from Dollar Tree. Okay, so this is the next thing I want to do, with some larger items that I don't like just out on the counter or in my cabinets. These are larger items like strainers. You need them in the kitchen, but you really don't know what to do with them. Here's a ladle. I use that to wash dishes sometimes. And yeah, this is an extra ice cream scoop and an extra whisk. So I'm just going to put them in this large Rubbermaid container and put a lid on them. That way I always know exactly where they are. Yep. And that's done, and it's organized and it's out of the way. Okay, this is a small storage container that I'm going to use for these little small cups, just for little small items, and the lids are in here too. I know there's a million more. I don't know where they are, but they're probably in the dishwasher. But that way I can keep these separate, because sometimes you're just looking for a little bit, like if you want a piece of candy or you want just a sauce or something to go with your lunch. you can just grab these small ones and you don't have to be looking for them, because I promise you I'm running late for work trying to get ready and get my lunch together because I'm looking for these, either a lid or a small cup. So I think this is a good idea. I got this container too from the Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree is my friend, you guys, when it comes to organization. Just finding some cute little containers and just making it work for you. So now my journey is just about to be to put everything together. This is what my baskets are looking like now. I found a few more things. So these are still all plastic containers here, and these are the glass ones, Pyrex, and that way I can use these for lunch. But they're the smaller ones, the medium and the large, and these are my larger bowls. So now I'm going to be working on putting everything together, organized. Okay, you guys, this is the finished product. This is what I came up with. As you can see, I have the lids here. In the back, I have some miscellaneous items like measuring cups and chopping choppers. And in the very back, you see the containers where I have the gel items that I stored, as well as the silver items that I stored. And here are the plastic containers. We just pull them out, grab what you want, slide it back. Come over here, grab a lid. And these are the smaller lids that I told you, I have smaller cups as well as lids that I placed in this container. And here is a chopper that I have. Here are the glass dishes that I stored. Now we do have a copper magic shelf in the back, so I have that back there. Strainers, more storage in the very back. And here's some glass dishes. So yeah, this is what I came up with. This is the best that I can do right now. So I still am interested in knowing what you guys, how you store your containers, what's best. I'll see how this works for us. When you're rushing and running out the door, you need a quick system that's kind of fail proof, and we'll see how this goes. So yeah, this is the finished product. So you guys, as you can see, it didn't take very long to get that done. I've been procrastinating to get everything organized the way I wanted to. And when things are organized, you actually feel better about yourself. Even if it's your purse, something that small, just cleaning out your purse and organizing your purse, it gives you a sense of accomplishment. I feel so accomplished right now. I feel so good getting that done. And as you can see, I just took a trip to the Dollar Tree and I got a couple of things. I didn't spend $5. I think I spent $4 on those 3 baskets and then the 1 little container for the storage. And it just took a little energy to go in there and get started. I hope this is giving you guys some incentive and it's making you want to do the same thing and get everything organized, so it makes you feel better about yourself. And it just takes a little time and energy. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll be doing a lot more of these organization things if you guys are interested, because I have junk everywhere. I need to get organized, my closets, my dressers, everything. I want to start doing this even for myself and to give you guys incentive too. And some of you may already be in that state where you're constantly organized. Kudos to you, because that's not me. I wish it were, but I'm not like that. I struggle with being organized. So if you're like that, please just continue to keep watching. Please leave a comment down below what you thought about the video and what you do to stay organized. I'm always open for options for things that are better, that'll work better for me. And I'm just trying. We're all in this together. And I just know when you just take a chance and get up off the couch or get up out of the bed, even though today's my day off, I could have been resting, sleeping in, I have a lot of things I have to do. First off are my spiritual things that always comes first. And then after that, I have things that I need to do for me and my family. And just a motivation, you guys, just to get up, do what you got to do for yourself for the day, and just keep going, okay? Because I know we're living in some crazy times, but just keep moving and keep trucking, and things will work out. So I appreciate you guys stopping by, and like I said, if you don't mind, leave a comment down below. And if you're not subscribed, if you like my content, consider subscribing, and I will see you soon.